Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on IOTA coin. On 30th of May, I shared an idea for my members at the Patreon that the price action of IOTA has formed a very big bullish cipher move on the weekly time frame chart. And in my previous video, I also told you that the price action has entered the potential reversal zone and moved up, and we may have another chance if the Bitcoin will move down to catch the IOTA from the potential reversal zone of the bullish cipher. And this was the idea, and you can see that I mentioned here that if the Bitcoin will move down to test the support, then we may have another chance to catch it from the buying zone. And now if I show you by playing this chart, and this was the chart, and you can see that this was the weekly time frame cipher pattern. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see at that time the price action after completing this leg, it was moved up. And when the Bitcoin moved down, the price line of IOTA even moved up to this end of the buying zone, and now it is moving towards the upside. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, our sell targets can be $1.17 to $1.87. And these sell targets I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish cipher. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. Now, if we take a look at the 12-hourly chart, and this chart I have also published today at the Patreon as well, that the price action has completed another harmonic bullish reversal move, and this time it has formed a bullish shark move, and you can see that it is consecutive forming the different harmonic moves. This is a live 12-hourly time frame chart, and let me show you from here. This was the previous harmonic shark, and after entering the potential reversal zone, the price action moved up and formed another bullish harmonic shark move and entered the potential reversal zone, and this is the buying zone. And from here we can expect that the price action can move towards the upside, and as per the Fibonacci sequence, these can be our sell targets from 0.00002083 bitcoins to 0.00002253 bitcoins. But I'm expecting that this pattern can work as a chain reaction. Once the price line will move up from this 12-hourly time frame chart, that can trigger the move on the weekly time frame chart as well, and the price action can start a big move from this potential reversal zone of the bullish cipher. Now I want to show you that this can be the right time to buy the IOTA as per my research. This is not the financial advice, this is my research and my opinion I'm going to show you. And you can see that on the 4-hourly time frame chart, it has formed an up channel and moved at the support of this up channel. And here I have also placed the RSI oscillator, the relative strength index. If we watch, then we can see that the relative strength index is continuously forming lower lows, and if we take a look at the price action, it is forming higher lows. This time you can see that after forming this lower low, the RSI is again moving to the downside. Maybe for 1 or 2 days more it will be moved here sideways, the price action will be moved here sideways, and in the meanwhile the RSI will be moved down to form another lower low, and we will have a bullish divergence. So this is a perfect bullish divergence with the US dollar pair on the small time frame 4-hourly time frame chart, and on the 12-hourly time frame we are entered the potential reversal zone of a bullish shark. And with the US dollar pair on the weekly time frame, the price line is already in the buying zone and in the potential reversal zone. So in my point of view, this can be the right time to buy IOTA, and as per the Fibonacci sequence, our sell targets are here, but I'm expecting a really very big move because this is a weekly time frame chart. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link I've shared in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.